Hello everyone, I am Ambika Agasti. This is my lesson learned presentation for our 3D printing group project for CIS 110, instructed by Dr. Kelly. Firstly, I want to talk about history of 3D printing early 1980s. In 1981, a guy from Japan named Hideo Kodama was trying to find a way to develop a rapid prototyping system. Also, he used photosensitive resin polymerized by UV light to combine bonds of layer-by-layer design. Later, a group of French researchers built a machine to perform printing using liquid monomer and laser. Unfortunately, both Hideo and French researchers were unsuccessful building 3D printer, but credited as first 3D printer inventor. In 1983, an American furniture builder, Charles Hull, who has keen interest in creating small custom parts, developed a system to create 3D model. He coined a term stereolithography in August 8, 1984. It means a way of developing a solid object by printing and combining thin layers of UV curable materials. His method got US patent in March 11, 1986. Finally, the first 3D printer was built in 1987 and commercially available in 2006. This is a picture of Charles' stereolithography process from 1984. Use of 3D printing in medical. Medical field are most benefited by 3D printing and is world-changing. For example, bioprinting procedure, artificial living tissue that helps during organ transplant, speed surgical process, and develop surgical tools. Likewise, 3D printing allow lab to create and model their prosthetic on their limbs. Lesson learned in this group. Time is key as this is online course and we have different schedule. No all members have equal sense of urgency. I had an anxiety and nervousness regarding this project at first. I learned that multiple minds bring multiple ideas. I got chance to learn how to use Wix. I watched about 6 to 7 hours of YouTube tutorial. From this teamwork, I learned to start early and finish early so that I do not have to rush and scare at the end. Now I will show you our site. I designed this site and logo as well. This is our home page with project info and team members. I work on home page, background and history and reference. Yeah, this is our reference. Mona work on this tab, 3D printing in manufacturing and advantage and disadvantage. Derek worked on environmental impact and illicit usage. Tina worked on 3D printing in the now. And this is our resource tab. Thank you.